Hello again. As you can tell, we are retrofitting new footings with rebar. These are freshly poured footings. They were poured probably 3 to 4 hours ago and they're still wet. So as you can tell, rebar is coming up. And let's see here. Basically, the footing was breaking off and was wavy, as you can tell on this side of the home. I'm gonna show you. And to code, it needs to go down at least 18 inches to 24 inches, depending on the city code. So we're extending the footings with a doweling system, rebar and epoxy, and the strength is going to come back to the footings. So potentially when you don't support your footings, your house can tilt and shift, or if there is any shifting, or in Southern California where we are, we have a decent amount of aftershocks and earthquakes once in a while, so there's a lot more shifting than some other places.